Hey guys, I had ended up having to go get a sick kid from daycare today, so sorry I can't be here with you yet again. But for today, we're going to be learning about the variety of sentence types, and then we're also going to be writing our own. So the big thing behind this variety, sentence varieties, is you need to remember that there are a wide range of types of sentences that we can write, and by writing them, it allows for our writing to be more interesting. So today you're going to go through and you're going to read the different types with a group of three. After you've read all of them, then I want you to go through and you'll be recording your own. So on Canvas, you'll see this file. It looks like this. It's all the different types of the sentences that we can write. I want you to read through each one with your partner, with your group of three, please. Make sure it's a group that you're going to be successful with. Read through these, kind of learn a little bit about why and what makes them that type of sentence. The examples are really, really helpful. And then on Canvas, there are two files. The first file is the file you see right here. And then the second file is a blank one with all of these sentence types down the sides. And the examples are blank. And you're going to be writing your own sentences. I have paper copies up in the Monday bin if you choose to write on paper copy. Otherwise, you can do it through Notability. Here is what you want to do. So when you're working on your sentence types, you will you're going to rotate in a circle. So in your group of three, partner number one will come up with sentence for number 1, number 4, number 7, number 10, and number 13. And then partner number two will be the one that comes up with sentence number 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and then partner number 3 does the remaining. So go in like a circle, because I don't want one partner coming up with every single sentence, because that's not going to make you successful and that's not helping us learn. So you need to make sure that you need to pick a topic that you can complete each type with, all right? So each partner needs to come up with one sentence and just rotate in a circle. I do not want one person coming up with all of the sentences. That's not what I want here, okay? So the big thing when you're done with this, I want you to be able to answer this question: how can knowing different sentence types make you a better writer? And be ready to answer that question tomorrow when I return. If you finish early for today, you can go ahead and work on any missing homework or read quietly. I did delete out the immigrations homework that you did on Friday because no one was really successful, so I want to go back and reteach on how to properly proofread. So that's why you don't see that in Canvas anymore, because I went ahead and I deleted that out. Thanks, guys, and I will catch up and we'll review tomorrow when I get back.